Is your business monitoring operations to ensure they're on track? Well, it's time to streamline your operations with airSlate Analytics Widgets. With these powerful tools, you can easily track the progress of specific events right on your dashboard. Watch this video to learn how you can quickly identify any bottlenecks or areas that need improvement, streamline your operations, and boost productivity.
If you want to increase security and transparency over document workflows, use airSlate Analytic Widgets to track the progress of specific events right on your dashboard. You can use default widgets or create new ones, up to 15, but only 6 widgets can be displayed simultaneously. To create a custom widget, click Manage on the Analytics tab. Then click Create New Widget and enter your title. Click Add Line in the Widget Line section and add a line title and description. Select one or multiple flows where you intend to track data. Click Apply Selected. Add conditions for when the data will be tracked. Select the document and the field that will trigger the widget to start. Once this field has been completed or signed, the graph line will display the data you need to track. Click Create Line to enable your widget to display the data you need to look at. Finally, click Create Widget to complete the setup. Want to develop new skills and gain recognition? Click the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Go to airslate.com to get your free 30-day trial that you can cancel anytime.